This video is going to be a very exciting one because in this video we will learn how easily we can create animated GIF using Adobe Photoshop. It is a great way to make eye-catchy graphics that you can post it in your website or social media, or you can attach this in a mail to make it more interesting and dynamic. Actually, they convert better rather than just still images. Now, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. To create an animated GIF, at first we have to create a project in Photoshop. To do this, I just simply click on File, New, and type my file name, sample GIF. And after that, I choose height 500 pixel and set width 500 pixel. Alright, now I choose resolution 300, color mode I choose RGB, and set background contents color white. And now I hit on create. Alright, now I place a video on this document. To do this, I just download a sample video. To download a sample video, my most favorite website is Pixabay. It is a great website for royalty-free images and royalty-free videos. Now from this drop-down menu, I choose videos and type vegetables. And now I click on the search button. And here we see a bunch of different videos are available. All of these are vegetables related, right? To download any of these, choose your preferred video and choose your dimension here. I choose the max resolution 1920 by 1080 and I hit on download. Look, our video file is just downloading. So once it is complete, simply open this app and after that, simply drag it on your document. Alright, now I hit on done. Now to play this video, I just visible a timeline window. To do this, simply hit on window and check timeline. And select create video timeline. And here it is. Look, our video is just playing right here. To resize this video to cover this whole document, I just simply select this video from layer panel and press Ctrl T, or if you are using Mac then press Command T to activate the transform mode. And after that, I just holding shift, click on this corner and drag it to make this bigger and also maintain the aspect ratio. Alright, once you're satisfied with that, simply hit on done. And if I move this timeline indicator, here we see our video is just playing right here. Also here we see our video is 56 seconds long. But we create a GIF file which is around 4 to 6 seconds long. Now if you want to play this video from just in this position, then set your timeline indicator and after that click on this in point and drag it to the right and set it here. And using the timeline indicator, set your preferred end position and then select this endpoint and simply drag it to the left like this. Alright, now I just simply hit on this play button. And here it is. Now if you want to play this video over and over again, then simply click on this little gear icon and check this loop playback. And then simply hit on play. Got it right? And I choose resolution 50%. Our GIF file is around 5 seconds long, which is pretty good size. That means the file size will be a good size. If you are create a GIF that is 10 seconds or more than that, then file size is going to be very big. And a lot of websites don't allow this big file size. And of course it depends on how big the resolution and the size of your composition is. Now 500 by 500 pixels, which is pretty good. Now this time we will add text in this video. Now from this left, I click on this text tool and click on this video clip. And I change color and set it in blue. And increase my text size and set it in 18. And now I type, eat vegetables every day. Alright, and now I select this whole text and increase this size a little bit and set it in 24, and using this move tool I set it here, and after selecting this text I change my font style, and this time I select American Captain font, and after that I just click and hold on this icon and choose rectangular tool, and I set color white and simply draw a rectangle like this. And after that I just set this rectangle under this text layer. Alright, now I choose the move tool and set this text in middle. Alright, now from this layer panel I choose this rectangle and decrease the opacity. I just simply set it in 50, and by select on this text block and selecting on this tool I just choose this vegetables text and change this color from blue to red. Alright, now I hit on OK. Now I zoom this timeline a little bit more, and let's play this clip now. Awesome, right? Also, you can change this text and rectangle position from this timeline. I just select both of these and set it right here. Let's play this clip now. Awesome, right? So now we have our video and we have added our text. The next thing is we have to do is save it as a GIF file. To do this, simply hit on File, Export, and select Save for Web. And on this new window, here you see few different options. Under these presets, here you see different type of GIF options are available. GIF 128, GIF 128, GIF 32, GIF 64, deterred and no deterred. Alright, these 32, 64 and 128 deterred and no deterred means the amount of colors that will exported in this GIF. Let's choose GIF 32 deterred. If I set it in 32, then here we see some distorted hair. If I set it in 128, then here we can see now it can look more normal. But here we see two other different options, deterred and no deterred. And deterred means it's more blended. If I choose no deterred, it looks little bit more harsh. This time I choose 64 deterred and this looks perfect to me. And this GIF size is estimated 8.65 second megabyte. And here we see our image size 500 by 500 pixels. You can also change your image size from here. If you want to see the preview of this GIF, then simply hit on play. Or if you want to see the preview on the browser, then simply hit on this preview button. And here it is. And our GIF size is 8 MB. If you want to decrease this GIF size, then simply choose GIF 32 deterred or no deterred. I just choose GIF 32 no deterred and our size is now 2.962 megabyte. Alright, but this time I choose 64 dither. Now if you want to play this GIF file over and over again automatically, then from this looping option, from this drop down, choose forever. And after that, simply hit on save. And now I choose my destination folder in desktop and set my file name and simply hit on save. And yes, we are done. And here it is. Awesome, right? So in this way, using Photoshop, we can easily create our own GIF.